These are flowers of Bombex ceiba or silk cotton tree dropped down by the flying foxes or bats which visit this tree at night. This is in front of my residence at Goa University on Taligaon Plateau. I am recording this on 19th March 2022 in the early afternoon. The idea is to show the drop of flowers in a single night, because every night I clear this and then I want to see the ecological succession in this pit, compost pit which I have prepared here. This is the pit where I will be monitoring the natural decay and decomposition and biodegradation and the associated ecological succession due to microbial colonization or termite infestation or ingestion by earthworms, geophagus or soil feeding earthworms. It all depends on moisture activity, because this is a big flower mass, biomass, dead dry biomass. All around here below the canopy of the tree there is a zone of dead flowers. You can see this zone very clearly in this. It is delimited by the edge of the canopy. These are all yesterday's nocturnal flower drops. I have counted more than 200 flowers in a single night, cut and dropped by the flying foxes or the fruit bats. Some of these are very, young stages. They are, along with ovary, they have been dropped. So the tree will lose its